Hi, I'm Skylar. If you want your iPad to read to you, you can do that by enabling a certain accessibility feature called voiceover. To do so, let's go to Settings. Tap Settings, tap General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Accessibility. Tap VoiceOver. The first thing you probably want to do is adjust the speaking rate. I bring mine way down here. Now, I'm going to turn on Use Pitch Change as well. And I am going to, rather than just turning VoiceOver on from here, I'm going to go back to the main accessibility menu and scroll down to the bottom and tap triple click. So triple click home allows me to toggle things on or off just by clicking the home button. So I'm going to make sure that VoiceOver is checked off. So now I'm going to go back over to my reader application of choice. You could use Kindle, Nook, it'll even read Safari pages, but I'm going to use iBooks. So iBooks, and here's the page I want to read. I am going to triple click my home button.
VoiceOver on.
To turn VoiceOver on.
Home button to the right. iBooks. Library button.
So VoiceOver is reading everything that it sees out loud to me. I'm going to swipe a few times to the right in order to get to the main body of the text. Or rest your finger on the text.
Page 5 of 169.
There we go.
In one of our rambles, to the subject of religion. Do you?
There you go.
Page chooser. Hallen.
Swiping left or right.
Hallen. Europe in the Middle Ages. Chivalry is itself the poetry of life. Comma. Schlegel. Philosophy of history. Preface. Image. Embellishment. About 10 years ago, while spending a few days under the hospitable roof of the distinguished Belgian jurist, the lamented M. de Lavallee, our conversation turned, during one of our rambles, to the subject of religion. Do you mean VoiceOver off?
Pretty good. Not bad at all. I think that you could do a lot worse than being read out loud to by that voice. Enjoy. I'm Skylar. Thanks for tuning in.